Greetings! It's Maxo Diddly. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can download a view-only video from Google Drive. Let's get right into it. So the first step is you need to open up the video that you want to download. So just double click on the video. Then you want to go up to the three dotted button up here, which is the More Actions button. Then you want to click on Open in New Tab. And once you've opened up the video in the new tab, you need to open up the developer tools. You can either press F12 on your keyboard, or you can go up to the three dotted button up here, then go to More Tools, then go to Developer Tools. And this will open up the Google Chrome console, and you want to go to the Network tab. So if you see the Network tab up here, great, you can just click on it. If you don't see it, click on the More Tabs button here, and then Network will appear in the drop-down menu. So click on it. Then I recommend you stretch out the developer tools a bit, like this, so you have a more clear view. Now the next step is, I want you to start playing the video, then pause it, and go to your settings. Then go to quality, and then make sure the video is playing at the quality you want it to download at. After that, I want you to refresh the web page. So press the refresh button up here, or F5 on your keyboard. Now I want you to let the video play for a bit.
You've turned into a big-time villain, Doctor.
Now pause it. Now go to your activity table here, and I want you to filter by size, where you have the biggest file at the top. So you just click on the size here until you have it so the biggest file is at the top. Also make sure you scroll to the top of the table. I want you to type in video into this filter bar here. And then I want you to go to the biggest entry in the table under the video filter. I want you to right click on it, then go to copy, then go to copy URL. Now you need to open up some text editing software. I recommend Notepad. I want you to paste the URL into Notepad. And you're going to need to change a couple of things in the URL. Firstly, the end of the URL. It's going to contain =1, then some other characters here. After UMP. I want you to delete everything after the P in UMP, so the equals, then the characters after it. So drag to select them, then press the delete or backspace key. The next step is, you need to find where the word range is in the URL. Now, an easy way to do this is to go to Edit, then click on Find, then type range, then click on one of the arrows, and that's going to give you where range is in the URL. Now, what you need to do is, from the word range, I want you to select everything up to and including the AND symbol. So basically we're going to be deleting the range from the URL. So select what I've selected here. The numbers are going to be a bit different. However, this will delete the time range from the URL. And then once you've selected this, you need to press the delete or backspace key. Once again, you're going from the word range up until the AND symbol, and then you include the AND symbol in what you delete. Then press the delete or backspace key. Then I want you to select everything, right click, click on copy, and then open a new tab in Chrome. And in the URL bar, right click and click paste, then press the enter key. And look, you've now got the video that was view only playing in a new tab. And the great part is, you can click on the three dotted button here and click on download. And you can now download an MP4 of the video. However, it's not going to contain audio. That's fine. Google streams the audio and video separately, so we just need to download the audio now. So let's do so. Go back to your view-only video, and in the filter up here, delete video, and type in audio. Then I want you to select the biggest entry in the table, under the audio filter, and then right-click on it, and go to copy, and then go to copy URL. Then open up some text editing software, like Notepad, right-click and click on paste. We are going to do the exact same changes to this URL. We need to delete everything after the UMP at the end. So that's the =1, then the other characters, like we did with the other URL. Then we need to go to the range. And like we did before, you can press Ctrl left on your keyboard or go to edit, then go to find, then type in range, click on one of the arrows, and there you can find it. Then we're going to be deleting the range text all the way up to the and symbol, and also include the and symbol in what we're deleting. Then press the backspace or delete key. Then select everything, right click, click on copy, open up a new Chrome tab, paste the URL in the URL bar, press the enter key.
You've turned into a big-time villain, Doctor.
And as you can hear, it's the audio for the video. And if we click on the three-dotted button, we can download it. And that's everything for this video. We successfully downloaded a view-only video from Google Drive. However, the audio and video are separate files. There are many ways you can combine a video file and an audio file. If you're on Microsoft Windows, you can click the video on screen on how you can merge an audio file and a video file together for free using Clipchamp. If you're on macOS, you can use QuickTime to merge a video and audio file together. But that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for being a great audience. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.